guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
NCT WISH's new music video for Songbird Japanese version.
I feel like that's the name of a car.
Songbird?
Or maybe Thunderbird. Maybe.
Thunderbird is the name, yes. Thunderbird is the name of the car.
Ooh, this is like Monopoly. Come on,
This game has a message we have important. Oh, I guess we have to send a message or something. Ooh, welcome. Ooh, blue hair. This is like blue. They're going into a rabbit hole.
Don't do it. Oh no.
Mini phone. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh. Obviously he hasn't watched horror films to know not to answer the telephone.
Feel good.
This song also gives me a Ricky Martin a little bit, no? I like 17 song that has a little Latin flair. I'm kind of getting this there too. Okay. That the guitar. Oh no, it's not Ricky. It's Justin Timberlake.
Oh, Senorita.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't know what they're packing, who they sending
That's
these
tiny.
mini and stuff. Yeah, this is tiny. Interesting. Tell me it doesn't give you Senorita that the guitar. You don't get Senorita?
No, I hear you.
Oh.
Those look yummy. They look like candy to me.
It looked like, yeah, like a gummies, like not
Gummy bears?
kind of either gummies or like some sort of like candy, like sugar candy.
This music video, so we were teleported into a whole new world, and they have to work in this world.
Yeah, they're like, because you know how the video opened, they're like delivery people. They have like, oh, you have to deliver goods. Yeah, so they like got sucked into the little hole, and now they're delivery people. Yeah, like the post office.
I really like the hair, the cotton candy blue and cotton candy pink hair. It goes well with this music video.
That's the balloon color.
Yeah. See, that's interesting, because I'm curious to what Songbird means. This song, to why they say this.
I
It's like
think songbird is because, you know, birds fly, and they say fly high in the sky. So like, I think that's the, you know, the flying part being a bird, and song because they're singing. I think it's that simple.
different colors. There's something about it. It's so nice. You could feel that you were teleported to a different world.
Yeah, it's definitely very colorful, and I think the colorfulness comes from those candies that they're delivering, because all those candies in the car are like all very bright colors.
So this is to be marketed to Japan.
Yeah, it seems like this is Japanese single, and it said we're gonna get the Korean version of the song in a week.
Oh, I wonder what the language will be.
The language.
Just language.
I think it's gonna be identical, just a different language.
Oh, okay, okay. See, it is candy. I wasn't crazy.
Yeah,
it looked really edible.
It did look like candy.
Yeah. Complete. So interesting, this music video. Guys, of course, I want to know your thoughts of this new drop from NCT WISH. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Is this for their album?
I don't know.
Oh, so because I feel like we see them maybe like once every so often. So I wonder when's the next time we're gonna see them and when they will perform this live for us too as well. We will be here to react, of course, guys. So always stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, share as much kindness as possible.